Today we got a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is 27-year-old loses it when cops refuse to arrest his mommy.
Did you call?
Hi.
What's going on?
I just got attacked
Okay.
by my mom. I don't know. Then she left me here.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm going to need to pick up my stuff or if she can get arrested for attacking me violently. And that's two parents out of that have violently assaulted me in the past few weeks.
Yeah, where did it happen at?
Right over there.
Okay. Why'd she just start attacking you?
She said, get out of the car. We had been arguing, and I said, get out of the car. I said, you're gonna give me my food, though. I had the bag of food, and she started attacking me.
Okay. So she told you to get out of the car. You guys
Just because she said, I'm gonna get a restraining order just so you know, the 2-year permanent one. And I responded, well, that's good. I'm perfectly fine with going in front of the judge and letting them know that actually you guys are the ones that have been me. No matter how many reports they give to fake officers, I can prove that you guys are the abusive one, and I'm the only one in therapy. And I've been in therapy for years. Okay. And they do nothing but take their anger and issues out on me, and it's getting violent, and I report it, and they do nothing. And I step out of line, and officers come and remove me and throw me on the street whenever my parents feel like it.
So today
I just got violently attacked, and nothing's gonna happen to her, I guarantee, right?
Well, here we are. I'm trying to hear you out here. So you guys are in the parking lot. She started saying she was going to
She's gonna go back to work for me.
What's that?
And I'm gonna sit here looking like an unemployable.
Give me a second here so I understand what's going on. You guys are in the parking lot, getting ready to leave.
She's already been arguing with me.
So
we had been arguing.
What was the argument about earlier?
How ungrateful I am. She's buying me lunch.
Okay.
But she couldn't take me to the hospital. The ER is too much. She couldn't see the amount of pain right now I'm in. I'm having a flare-up for ulcerative colitis. I'm seeing specialists. I'm in and out of the ER in pain every day. But she can't see it, so it's not real.
So arguing because she's calling you ungrateful, then she starts saying she's going to get an order of protection against you?
Yeah.
Told you to get out of the car. You were going to, but you want to keep the food?
Yeah, I started to get away from her. I opened the door, and she grabbed me by the collar and by the arm. I remember. She was gonna leave. I went inside to grab the food, and it was on the counter, and I took it, and she just pulled out. She's like, ungrateful. You can walk from here if you want. But I had her food, so she waited when she saw me walk out the door. And then I pretended to throw the food at the thing. I was like, you want me to throw the food? And she's like, you will regret that for the rest of your life if you do that. And I got in the car like an idiot, and she started to drive away, and then she said, you know what, like, yeah, my car, give me the food, and you can walk from here. And then she started attacking me when we got to, like, right before you pull up.
So she thought you were taking too long to get the food.
Yeah.
And that's what she got upset?
Well, she had been upset for the past 2 hours. She's been upset for the past 20 years. Ever since it was a little fruity after 7, it was never the same.
Yeah, you got an idea on you, by chance?
So you're never gonna have kids, you're never gonna know what it's like. But they make you want to blah, 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 all this bullshit. Like, I asked to be here.
You need an ambulance for anything?
Hmm?
You need an ambulance for anything?
No.
Okay.
This is the only one that opened up a little bit. It didn't go all the way through. And
a couple questions here real quick. Has physical violence increased in frequency over the past year?
Yeah.
Does the suspect ever use a weapon against you or threaten you with a weapon?
Yeah.
Do you believe the suspect is capable of killing you?
Yeah.
Does the suspect ever try to choke you?
Yeah. Well, that's not usually her. I don't know, nails aren't really good for choke, not really mom's style to choke.
Is the suspect violently and consistently jealous of you?
Jealous?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, so just I'm understanding, she was already upset. She thought you were taking too long to get the food. You get to the car, she starts saying how ungrateful you are. She's going to get a restraining order against you. It says get out. You try to get out and take the food. grabbed you by the collar, grabbed you by the arm.
This is after scooping me up off the street so gracefully and reminding me of it every single day. You're here because we let you be here. I needed a mattress at a Salvation Army. And the home shelter won't let me in because I have cases open and that she opened against me. So I can't go to the homeless shelter.
Let me go grab my phone real quick. I'll be right back, Kevin, right?
Now this is pretty interesting. You can look at this guy right here, and he definitely has either some trauma or something isn't right. You know, I don't know. Maybe, you know, along with what's going on at home, maybe he indulges in some, you know, some either alcohol or drugs or something like that. Because his eyes is kind of, you know, they kind of buggy a little bit, you know, but. Yeah, he definitely got some things going on in his life that you know, it seems like from his understanding that it all stems from him being gay. And like let's be honest here. That's what he meant by a little fruity when he was 7 years old or something like that. So he must have came out when he was 7 years old acting gay. Okay, and the parents they not rocking with it, and that's probably where everything has just stemmed from. So I'm curious to see, you know, violently attacked. I mean, he ain't got no marks or nothing like that for real. Like I don't know what, you know, I don't know what that's about, but I'm curious to see, you know, what the officer is going to do about this situation, or if. You know, let's see, maybe the mom's side of events, you know, because maybe she sees things a little differently than how he sees them.
She's at home already, so I called her on the phone. Told her he was going to go knock on the door. She saw him put on the driveway and was expecting us to come talk to her, but she's all worked up and...
Yeah, and all this other stuff. I don't think he even said he's not mentally stable.
Yeah, you can tell.
He has a little scratch on his arm, factory enough, because it happened out here, nobody saw it. And he even said when he got to the car, she was saying, I thought he was going to throw the food at her too, so I just go easy. Yeah.
Go from there?
Yeah.
Are you good here then if you want me to run down there and meet with her?
Have we read it?
Yeah, this is the part about the law enforcement.
Right.
Arresting the abuser after completing a police report, driving you to a medical facility, shelter, or safe place after arranging transportation to a safe place, accompanying you back to your home to get your belongings.
Right. And she said you can go back home after 3 when your dad's home.
This is you. So I'm just supposed to be out here on the street just because she said so. Even though all the protocol says she should be arrested right now and I should get my belongings and go to the safe place.
There's two sides to every story. We have no witnesses.
Just proof, just evidence of what I said. What did she say?
My partner spoke to her. I don't know yet. I didn't speak to her.
It didn't happen, or else she should be arrested. Either
Kevin, there's always two sides.
See, like that's what I mean. Look at it. He's a little buggy. I ain't gonna lie to you. He a little buggy. You know, I mean, come on now. You could get your stuff after 3 o'clock. It's a few hours. You know what I'm saying? Like,
no, all the protocol says she should be arrested right now and I should get my belongings and go to the safe place.
There's two sides to every story. We have no witnesses.
Just proof, just evidence of what I said. What did she say?
My partner spoke to her. I don't know yet. I didn't speak to her.
It didn't happen, or else she should be arrested.
Kevin, there's always two sides to every story.
And her side should get her arrested.
Okay, well, I don't know what she told my partner exactly. He relayed to me that she said that after 3 o'clock, you're more than welcome to come get your belongings.
Okay, but what happened?
I will get with my partner
Sorry,
after.
I guess you said 3 times. You don't know.
So, feel free to call us at 3 o'clock.
My things in the prescription I'm supposed to take before 3, and all that I can go f myself, right?
I'm not saying that.
No, this says she should be arrested, and I have the right to go get my things at the very least for until 3.
Probable cause for an arrest.
Fine, but at least to get my things.
And you can. at a reasonable time. If she's worried about whatever, then 3 o'clock is a reasonable time. It's almost noon.
She's worried about what?
I don't know. I didn't speak to your mom.
She is a manipulative piece of shit who wants to control the situation.
I'm
And
explaining.
you guys are listening.
I haven't even spoke to her. I started to go over there. My partner got me on the radio. I turned back around and came here. All right. If you need,
I do.
okay.
Just about everything on this list. I want to press charges. I want her arrested. I want to grab my things, and I want to be somewhere safe.
Here's the deal.
But you're saying that at 3 you can have that because mommy
That's
said
fine.
so.
That's fine.
All right, so I can go at 3.
Yep.
Officer Perry stated that the suspect became hostile after being told no arrest would be made. Moments later, the suspect threw a drink at his patrol car and resisted when placed under arrest.
What?
Perry added that the liquid splattered across his window and uniform, confirming the assault.
Turn around. Turn around.
Don't touch me.
Turn around.
No, don't touch me.
It's on.
Yeah, don't touch me.
Oh boy. Get him to go. Let me sit up. It's about to go down.
You read me my rights yet, sir?
Read me my rights. The officer got the right to get you together.
With me, give me a little one over here.
Yeah, wait, for the record.
Yeah, like criminal damage to the government property.
I didn't touch your car. No, he attacked me.
Stay on the ground.
He attacked me and I didn't touch him. I did not touch him at all. He
Ted,
jumped
I got one fight
He's
with
using
you.
unnecessary
Get me
force. It doesn't look.
Oh, we got a good Samaritan.
Good for right now. Stand up. Come on. All right, get a step on out. I'm gonna search real quick.
Oh, you forgot? This called Miranda.
I haven't asked you any questions.
You put me
Turn
under
around.
arrest.
I did. I haven't asked you any questions.
Oh, because I threw a soda in the wind that did not touch his car. Because he walked out on me with a diva move. Okay, then listen to your mommy and walked out. Or I said,
I didn't say anything about this.
stop. He's too hot to be here. I think I
Yes,
recognize
I have
you. It's the sunglasses. It might be someone else.
Okay, hey, I gotta search you too, okay? So just step over here real quick. Spread your feet, please, and thank you. Just relax, okay?
1, 2, 3. That's half a
All right.
Okay, have a seat. Oh, I thought you were trying for me. I'm sorry.
All right.
What was with the excessive violence before?
Let's go.
Hey everyone, it's Trent, Prior Deputy Sheriff, Patrol Sergeant, and Canine Handler. Domestic violence.
All right, so check out arrest cam video. You know what I'm saying? To check out what this he's an ex-officer and stuff like that. Check out for what he got to say and stuff like that. Let's get
Solution or
crime.
route to go.
The 27-year-old was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer, but remains innocent until proven guilty.
Okay. Yeah, so you know that's something that's unique to their channel as far as they kind of take the same approach as Midwest Safety, where they hired an ex-officer, or it could be an ex-officer that's running the channel or whatever, and he gives his point of view or whatever at the end and stuff like that. So definitely go check him out and get his point of view. So anyway, yeah, this guy here, man. Crash out, man. I told you he ain't wrapped too tight, man. He definitely got some issues going on. Definitely. You know, and I'm not saying it's all his fault. He could very well be going through some issues at home because of his sexuality or whatever the case may be. It could be very well true, you know, but either way, it's not an excuse for you to throw your drink at the cop car. Oh, man, you can't make this stuff up. These guys are crash outs, man. But anyway, I think the officer did the best job that they could. You Yeah, so I'm gonna give them 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.